Hi guys, welcome to my grocery haul video for this week. I just picked up all the groceries that we're gonna have. I also have our meal plan written down, so I will share it with you on everything we're making for dinners this week. So I've been going over budget the last few weeks. I like to keep our grocery budget under $200 a week. This week I was way under at $165. I went through our freezer, had some leftover stuff from last week, have some stuff in the freezer, so trying to plan our meals around things that we already have so that we're not wasting any food. So, like I said, I'll share with you the meal plan. I'm gonna share with you everything we got in my Walmart grocery pickup. I do one large grocery haul per week. Definitely saves money, time, and it just helps keep me organized. So let me show you everything I got for this week. Okay, so I'll start over here. I got 2 packs of chicken. We always eat tons of chicken. We used to do 1 pack a week, but we are on to 2 packs now per week. I've mentioned a couple weeks ago, I'm now making my kids lunches for schools. So we'll grill up a whole bunch of chicken and they'll take that for lunch some days to school. So 2 packs of chicken. We're gonna do salmon one night. We love salmon. So it is delicious. We'll do salmon with some zucchini that I already have. Pistachios, get them every week, our favorite snack. This whole wheat spaghetti, it's really good. Just tastes like regular spaghetti, but it has some whole wheats. My family, the boys have been always wanting spaghetti and meatballs for dinner. I usually give them an option of 2 different things, what we're gonna have, and they've been really into spaghetti and meatballs. So we'll have that one day this week. Eggs are expensive again. I guess there's a bird flu going around. So got 1 pack of eggs this week. I absolutely love this jerky. It is it's old fashioned jerky, but it is really, really good. It's like the real deal jerky. Love it. Jerky's a little bit expensive. I try not to get it all the time, but it is such a good snack. Another snack we have all the time is popcorn. I get this light buttered one. It's good. Bread for Benjamin's peanut butter sandwiches. He loves to take that to school for his lunches. The yogurt tubes that I get all the time. These are strawberry and blueberry. There's 4 of each in these, and my kids love them. They're desserts most nights. 2 things of almond milk for smoothies. Regular milk. We have a lot of milk left from last week, so I just got a small one. Sandwich thins for my husband's lunches that he packs for work. A bunch of avocados. I got a couple extra avocados this week because we definitely go through them. I got 2 of these water enhancers. This one's our favorite because it has electrolytes in it, but mixed berry has lots of vitamin B's, and it is just really, really good just to add to your water to make it taste delicious. And then I really like this orange blast one. It doesn't have the electrolytes, but it has lots of B vitamins. So really, really good. I've been wanting to try some other flavors, but these are the ones I know that I like, and they're kind of out sometimes on other flavors, but love these. My husband, he's now using these a lot, so we're going through almost 2 of these a week sometimes. Some strawberries, graham crackers for a little treat for the kids. They really like graham crackers. My favorite snack is cottage cheese. I kind of wasn't getting it for a while because, I don't know, I felt like they kind of changed the Walmart cottage cheese a little bit, but I got it last week and it is back to exactly how I like it. So love this. I get the large curd and I get the 4% milk fat minimum. So love this one. It's my favorite. Vanilla Greek yogurt. My husband has a lot of snacks with Greek yogurt. He puts blueberries and walnuts on it. That's his favorite snack. We love these carb balanced mission tortillas. This is the burrito size, but they are 5 carbs per tortilla. So we do a lot of burritos. We're going to be doing burritos one night this week. Lots and lots of apples. We go through a lot of apples. I love them with peanut butter as a snack, but my kids love them also. So my husband, he loves them. So we go through a lot of apples. Lots of bananas also. My kids, they love bananas. So that's definitely okay. If they want to eat lots of fruit, I'm cool with that. A big thing of shredded cheddar cheese. Definitely. I always think I'm not going to buy a lot of cheese this week, but we go through it. So I always end up getting this big bag. I get this sugar-free syrup. It's my kid's favorite. And then we're going to try this week the Kodiak brand pancake and waffle mix. It has more protein, so it's 15 grams of protein per serving. So I'm going to try these. I usually get the Great Value brand, but definitely want to give this a try. It's a lot more expensive than Great Value brand. It's like 3 times the cost, but I do like it. That has lots of protein, so we're going to give it a try. We'll see. Green tea, love green tea. Black beans for burritos. This Soy Vey Island teriyaki, it is really yummy. I put it on the salmon. Like I said, we're going to have salmon one night this week. And then I get this no sugar added pasta spaghetti sauce. It's crazy how much added sugar is in sauces, especially tomato-based sauces. So I get this no sugar added one. It's really good. And like I said, we've been doing a lot of spaghetti and meatballs lately. And tuna, awesome, like lunch tuna to have. So these are all of the groceries, and here is everything I have written down for the week. Like I said, I had a bunch of stuff in the freezer and the fridge, so I wanted to make sure we used all that up. For Sunday, I have some tortellini in the freezer already with chicken and broccoli. Monday, we're going to do chicken burritos. Tuesday, spaghetti and meatballs. Wednesday, we're going to do the salmon, and I already have zucchini. I'm going to do ground beef casserole on Thursday. I have a lot of ground beef in the freezer still from last week. We're going to barbecue some chicken and make some chicken sandwiches on Friday. And then we're going to have pizza on Saturday to make it super easy. So I hope that you enjoyed this week's meal plan and all of the groceries that I picked up from Walmart. If you're new to my channel, make sure you click subscribe and leave me a comment if you have any questions at all. I will see you all in my next video. Have a great day. Bye-bye.